Hi everyone. So we are going to see a simultaneous equation. Okay. So we are going to solve a simultaneous equation question. So simultaneous equation means basically, uh, like here if you see there are two equations. There are two equations given. We are going to solve it simultaneous. Simultaneous means like parallelly. We are going to take both equation and we are going to solve it, and we are going to find the x and y. So here x and y are unknown variables. What are they? Unknown variables. Unknown means we don't know the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. Okay, so that is the question. So there are two equations. So as there are two variables x and y, we need at least two equations. Then only we can find x and y. So we have two variables, we have two equations. Okay, clear. So we'll see how to solve it. So there are two methods to solve a simultaneous equation. First method is called as elimination method. Okay, so elimination method means we would eliminate one of it. Eliminate means removing. Okay, so we will, for example, we will remove x, we will only keep y, then we can find the y easily. Okay, so we'll see how to do it. So 2x, here 3x. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, 3x plus 4y is equal to 70. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. Let's say 5 is equal to 5. What I am going to do is I am going to multiply it by 3. Okay, here left hand side I am going to multiply it by 3. So will it be the same? It means, will it be correct? No. Why? If I am going to multiply the left hand side by 3, I have to multiply the right hand side also by 3. Then only this equal would be valid. Here if you see 15 equal to 50, that is correct. Okay, that is correct. So whatever you do in the left hand side, you have to do in the right hand side. Then only this equal sign would be uh, valid. Okay, okay. So here 2x, here 3x. So so the first step you need to do is, we want to make this coefficient means the number before x, here 2, here 3, can we make it as a same number? Okay, we can do it. Okay, let's say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We'll take equation number 1 and multiply it by 3. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to take the equation number 1 and we are going to multiply it by 3. So 3 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 into 3. So in the left hand side you are multiplying it by 3. So to maintain this equal, you have to do it in the right hand side also. So you are going to multiply the 13 by 3. Now this is correct. Okay, so 3 into 2x, 6x, 3 into 3y will be here plus, so plus 3 into 3, 9. So 9y is equal to 13 into 3 is 39. Okay, let's write this as equation number 3. Okay, finish. Uh, take this equation number 2. Take this equation number 2 and multiply it by 2. Okay, so equation number 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 into, what is the equation? 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is equal to, here this side 17. So 17, whatever you do in the left hand side, you have to do in the right hand side. Okay. So 2 into 3x is 6x. 2 into 4y is here plus, so plus 2 into 4y is 8y is equal to 17 into 2 is 34. Okay, let's say this is equation number 4. So what is the reason I multiplied this by 3 and this by 2? The reason is, now you see 6x, here also 6x. So to make it, like to make the coefficient same, that is the reason I multiplied this by 3 and this by 2. Now you see here 6x plus 9y, here 6x plus 8y. So here both are same. That is the reason why I did this. Okay. So now you may have a question. Why it need to be same? Okay. So look carefully. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. This is 39. This is 34. So what we'll do is equation number 3 minus equation number 4. Very simple. Okay. So write the equation number 3. 6x plus 9y minus, put a bracket, 6x plus 8y is equal to, here you see this is 39 minus, why we are putting minus, so we are subtracting. Okay, third equation minus fourth equation, here 34. 34. Okay, 6x plus 9y minus into plus minus 6x minus into plus minus 8y is equal to 39 minus 34 is 5. 6x minus 6x, so 0. Like 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 9y minus 8y, so it will be 1y. 1y. 9 minus 8 is 1, so 1y. This is equal to 5. So we don't need to write the 0, so it is 1y. So y is equal to 5. That's it. So we found one variable, so y is equal to 5. So one variable is found. So next step, what we have to do? We have to find the x. So you, there are two. Initially we had two equations. So whichever you want, you can take it. Let's take first equation. Okay, let's take first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So this is the first equation. You can take the second equation also. That is your wish. So 2x plus 3 into, so what is y? Y is 5. We we found it, so we can put the 5 here. This is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to, 2x plus 15 is equal to 13. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 13. Now how to find the x? So we have to make this x as a separate. So it means, here plus 15 now. If it goes to the right hand side, it will become minus. Actually it will be like this, 13 here plus 15. So if it goes to the right side, other side, okay, if it goes to the other side, it will be plus. Now plus means it will become minus, so minus 15. So you may have a question like, why if it is plus, if it goes to the other side it is getting minus? No, you may have that question. So I will explain it. Okay, let's say 5 is equal to 5. So whatever you do in the left side, you have to do it in the right side to maintain this equal. It means, if you are putting plus 3 here, you have to put the plus 3 other side also, then only 5 plus 3 8. This side also 5 plus 3 8. So it will be equal. So whatever you do in the left side, you have to do it in the right side. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 13 now. We need to make this 2x separately. Like, it means we have to remove this 50. So what we can do is, we will put a minus 50. We will put a minus 50. So if you put a minus 15 in the left side, you have to put in the right side also. Okay. So 2x, 15 minus 15, 0. So 2x plus 0. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 15. So you see 2x is equal to 13 minus 15. We got it. Okay. So actually, like, it is like this. It is like this, but we don't write these steps. We skip it, and we just, if it is plus here, if we take to the other side, it will be minus. But actually it came from this. Okay. Okay, now 2x is equal to 13 minus 15 means minus 2. 13 minus 15. 15 is a larger number than 13. If you don't know this calculation, think like this. Plus means you have it. Let's say you have 13 mangoes. Okay, you have 13 mangoes. Minus means you have to give. Okay, you have to give 15 mangoes. You have to give 15 mangoes. So what is the, like, if you have 13 mangoes, you have to give 15 mangoes to some other person. So it means you have to give like two extra mangoes to a person. Okay, so if we are going to give, it means minus. Okay, so this is a like, if you don't know, like, think like this. Okay, 13 means someone needs to give you 50, like, sorry, plus means someone needs to give you, minus means you need to give. Okay, so it will be like you need to give two mangoes extra. So it will be 2x is equal to minus 2. So what will be the x equal to minus 2? Here 2x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 divide by, if you like, x is getting multiplied by 2. So if you take this to this side, it will get divided. So minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So x is minus 1 and y is how much? 5, right? Y is y is 5. Okay. So this is the first method you can try. Sorry. So this is the first method you can try to find x and y. So this is called as elimination method. So at the start I told there are two methods. So what is the other method? Okay, let's see. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 3x plus 3x plus 4y is equal to 70. 3x plus 4y is equal to 70. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. So what is the other method? The other method is, what we would do is, we would take the first equation. Okay, we'll take the first equation. 2x is equal 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. 2x is equal to how much? 13 minus 3y. Okay, plus 3y, if you take to the right side, other side, it will be minus, so minus 3y. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Okay, 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Okay, we are bringing this 2 to the right side, so we are going to divide it. Here it is getting multiplied, so other side it would get divided. Okay, simple. Now you know x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. We'll take equation number 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 70. 3 instead of x, okay, instead of x, we will write this. X is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So we'll write it. 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 4y is equal to 70. Now you see, we got a equation only in y. There is no x in this. So only in y. So if we solve this, we can find the y. So what we can do? 3 into 13, 3 into 3y. So it will be, we'll put this 2 here. 3 into 13 means 39. Here minus, so minus 3 into 3y, it would be 9y plus 4y. This is equal to 70. So what we can do is, we can take 2 as LCM. Okay, so it means It means like if you don't know about LCM, here there is two, no, here there is two. So what we can do is instead of like we can write this 4y like this 8y by 2. Okay, 8y by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4y. So instead of 4y we can write 8y by 2. So wait, okay. So instead of 4y we can write 8y by 2. So 39 minus 9y divided by 2. Okay, so 39 minus 9y divided by 2. Instead of 4y we will write like this 8y by 2. Okay, it means like here this side also there is 2, no, so that's why I'm writing 2 this side also, so this is 70. So next, here also 2, here also 2, so we can write it as common, like, so 39 minus 9y plus 8y is equal to 17. So we can take this 2 to the right side. So here it is getting divided. So if it goes to the other side, it will get multiplied. So 39 minus 9y plus 8y is equal to 17 into 2 is 34. Okay, 17 into 2 is 34. So 39 minus 9y plus 8y is equal to 34. Now what we would do is what we will do is we will take the y to the right side, like we will take the numbers to one side, the y to the other side. So 39, okay, here plus 34, let's take to the left side. So if it is plus here, if it goes to the other side it would be minus. So equal, here you see 9 minus 9y, so if it goes to the right side it would be plus. Here plus side y, if it goes to the right, it means right means other side. If it goes to the other side, it will be 8 minus 8y minus. So here plus, so it will become minus. So 39 minus 34 is 5. 9y minus 8y is y. So y is equal to 5. So you found the y. Now you can like take any of the two equations in the start. Like we have two equations now, like you can put that phi, you can put the phi here and find the x, or you can put the phi here and find the x. So this is called as substitution method. Okay, it means we are writing the x. Okay, okay, we are writing the x in y, in terms of y. Okay, so after that for x we are substituting this. Okay, so first of all we wrote the x in terms of y, then we substitute uh, that thing for x. So this method is called as substitution method. Now you may wonder, oh shit, like this is very hard, like compared to the first method, this is little bit tough. Okay, but actually it is for this question. Okay, so if you take this question, the first method is easy, the elimination method is like very easy. In some kind of questions you may find difficulties in like using the elimination method. Okay, so like you may get confused, okay, how to use elimination method here, or you may little bit like find some difficulties. At that time this substitution method would help you. Okay, so for this question first method is easy, so go with the first method. So like don't try the second substitution method. Whenever you like find difficulties in the elimination method, you can go for this substitution method. This may be helpful. Okay, so you sometimes that substitution method would be easier in in some questions. Okay, so these are the two main methods. So that these are not only the methods, like you can solve a simultaneous equation by a matrix. So there are some other methods too, but like when you are in a school, like it means like if you are in an advanced grade, like you may study about metrics, those stuff. But at, at the initial stage, these are the two main methods to solve a simultaneous equation. So like always try with the elimination method. Like if you face any difficulties, try the substitution method. Sometimes it may be like it would be easier than elimination method in some kind of questions. Okay, so that's all, and thanks for watching. Thank you.